we can target either the shadows, midtones or highlights, and we can use either a curves, levels or brightness adjustment layer to control either one of those three areas. We then have a feather slider which we can use to control the amount of feathering applied to the layer mask. And then finally we have a group and mask button which will place that layer into a group and apply a black mask to it. In the upper right hand corner we've got the hamburger icon, which will open up a flyout menu which gives us options such as the preferences and check for updates, etc. If we look at the buttons themselves, if we start by looking at the shadows, this is going to target roughly zone 0 to zone 3. The midtones will target between zone 4 and 6, and the highlights will target between zone 7 and zone 10. If we look at the feather slider, as we move the slider across, we can see that it's going to affect the amount of feathering that is applied to that layer mask. When we press the group and mask option, it takes the regular layer with the mask attached to it, it places it into a group, and then this allows us to paint with a white brush which automatically selects over the image to reveal the effect that we made from the adjustment layers, and we can see that effect inside of the layer mask. So the plugin is extremely easy to use, it's very lightweight, and it gives us the ability, if we want to quickly target either the shadows, midtones or highlights in a group, or we can actually select one of those three areas and then we can apply that mask through the group and mask, and then we can just paint in the effect selectively after we've made that initial adjustment.